Hello, today we have David Young. He is the president for research and development and founder of Processa Pharmaceuticals, trading on the Nasdaq under the ticker PCSA. David, welcome to the show.
Thank you. I'm glad to be here.
Now, in a few sentences, what does this update mean and why are you encouraged by the findings?
Well, the use of every drug for every disease is based on the balance between positive therapeutic effect of the drug versus the side effects of a drug. In cancer, patients and oncologists are willing to have more side effects and more severe side effects in order to obtain the positive effect of killing the cancer. We're excited about the preliminary findings of our orally administered combination treatment of 6422 and capecitabine in our phase 2 breast cancer study. And the reason is because our combination actually forms approximately 10 times more cancer-killing drug metabolites than the present existing monotherapy capecitabine, while decreasing the main metabolite that only causes side effects. That's a very positive effect. In the phase 2 study that we've reported on, the side effects from the cancer-killing drug metabolites are about the same as what has occurred with monotherapy capecitabine. The severity really has not changed much. What does this mean for cancer patients? Our combination treatment may be able to improve the patient response by killing more cancer cells, allowing us to treat more breast cancer patients who may presently not have another treatment option.
How has the study been designed and what are the meaningful updates investors should be looking out for?
Well, this is a phase 2 study. And so what we're trying to find out is more about the safety and efficacy and appropriate dose to go forward into a pivotal study for FDA approval. All right. Now, what we have done is we have a formal interim analysis evaluating the safety and efficacy in approximately 20 cancer patients. This will be then followed by another regimen of the combination treatment added and additional patients added to the whole study to get the completed study. As we stated in our press release, our preliminary data review of the first 16 patients was positive, showing the potential for a greater cancer killing effect while not increasing the severity of side effects. We expect that the formal 20 patient interim analysis to, be, to be completed in 2026, followed by the addition of the second group after that. The key to this is that the interim analysis will look at safety and efficacy, so we'll get a better handle on both.
David, describe for us first the current standard of care and then tell us what treatment could look like with the combination of PCS 6422 and capecitabine.
The standard of care varies with advanced breast cancer patients. It really depends on a lot of factors like the subtype of the breast cancer, the age, the general health of the patient. So it's hard to pinpoint what the exact therapy is. It's really patient dependent and cancer dependent. Chemotherapy like capecitabine is presently prescribed as for aggressive cases or cases where you need to really hit the cancer hard when other treatment fails. So it's not as easy as saying what do we use it for, what do we use in what situations. It's very broad. Given our preliminary results for our combination treatment, we believe, along with other oncology consultants, that our combination treatment could replace present capecitabine therapy if if the clinical program demonstrates our treatment combination improves the efficacy. We've already seen similar or better safety, so now the question is the efficacy going to be better? And we think it will be. If the efficacy of bet is better, our treatment profile will be the patients will be taking oral medication. Our drug is all oral. We'll be taking oral medication for 7 days, be chemotherapy free the next 7 days, and then repeat that cycle for about 6 to 12 months.
Let's turn now to a couple of questions about you, David. What is your background?
Well, it's a pretty broad background. I hold both a PharmD and a PhD, and I've been involved in chemotherapy drug development on and off for the last 4 decades, including involvement with capecitabine and 5-FU. 5-FU is the key metabolite of capecitabine, that is the precursor to the biologically active molecules associated with capecitabine. In fact, back in the late 70s, when I first started working with 5-FU, was asked by Dr. Charles Heidelberger, who developed 5-FU in the 50s. He actually asked me, could I change the metabolism of 5-FU to decrease the side effects and improve the efficacy? It's taken me 40 years to figure out how to do that. And I truly believe that 6422 plus capecitabine is the answer.
And how did you get involved with Processa originally?
Well, I've always believed that there's ways to develop drugs and get approval at the FDA if we take a more de-risked approach. And the de-risked approach that we tried to do in cancer was to take a drug that's already been approved that we know kills cancer cells and then improve the fate of that drug once it's administered in the body. So when it gets to the body, it either may distribute more to the cancer cell or metabolize more to cancer killing molecules, or it could decrease the metabolism to molecules that cause side effects or not go to tissues that cause side effects. So it's really improving the fate of the drug when it gets in the body. That's what we're doing. Not completely changing a molecule, not looking at a brand new drug. It's looking at a drug that actually kills cancer now and is used now, but optimizing how it's treated in the body.
David, thanks for being with us.
Thank you. Appreciate it.